Duit YouTube, con talk to. August Hola, ¿cómo estás? The reason I'm speaking Spanish is I am in Gran Canaria. So, I thought I would make a vlog to keep you to date. This is where I am staying. It is quite nice. It's a little bungalow resort community type thing, and it's also a gay community hotel thing. I don't know what the actual definition would be, but anyway, so we got in yesterday and went for dinner and everything, and it was nice, and then we went out for drinks, and today we were just taking it easy. Tomorrow we plan on doing a hike, then we're diving on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then do whatever we like for the few days till we go home. So it's a hard life, isn't it? I've never stayed in a gay resort though, so it's an interesting experience. I think I'm the youngest person here, but I don't really mind either. So I suppose it's something I would have done at some stage, but it's interesting. So that's that. I just wanted to make a little update for you all. I will probably, depending on what we do today, I'll probably make another clip. Digwitterish. My battery died somehow. It said it was full, but it died still. Anyway, maybe I shouldn't be yakking so much. But so I'll leave it. I just wanted to finish off and say that I'm looking forward to having a good week. Maybe I'll get a tan. I took my shirt off and I think I dropped the ambient temperature a couple of degrees because I was reflecting so much heat. I am paler than a ghost, so maybe I'll get a little bit of colour. Other than that, I shall talk to you soon. Gur Malgut, Slán fóill, agus adios.